Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV.
INEC don talk say Adamawa REC dey on the run. My people, now welcome to DJM TV Daily News Update on our WhatsApp channel where we now dey get ogbonge gist for Nigeria and all over the world. This is your first time waiting to see any of our video. We tell you say welcome and make you not forget to follow our page and make you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also turn on all notification bell so that we go fit dey inform you anytime we be like say we drop better ogbonge update online. Oh yeah, make we run enter the gist we will gather for now today. The Independent National Electoral Commission, wey they call INEC, wey be the umpire of all election for inside Nigeria, don come out come talk say e no get any information on the whereabouts of the suspended resident electoral commissioner of Adamawa State, Undu Ari. Remember say Undu Ari don create confusion during the governorship election when he take come out come announce Aisha Binani, the All Progressive Congress candidate, as the winner of the election even before they collate the result of the supplementary election. But the National Commissioner of INEC, wey they call Festus Okoye, for inside one video we wan watch now, when he take dey talk to newsmen, come talk say Harry Undu, wey be the REC for inside Adamawa State, never report to the headquarters of the commission for Abuja since they invite am come several days after the electoral umpire don summon am. Okoye come talk say they don't know anything about e whereabout because at this particular incident the commission don write to Rakotela say make him come Abuja. They even call am on phone but e no dey return any of the call, e no dey answer any of the call. Festus Okoye don talk say they don ask am make e report to the commission last week Sunday. He say but they no see am. He say they don ask am say make e report on Monday, they no still see am. He say up to this moment, so when be like saying they talk the matter, they don't know e whereabouts of the matter. Industry talk say na the responsibility of the Nigerian police now to declare the REC of Adamawa State wanted for failing to report to the commission or answer a call. He said they leave her to the Nigerian police, may they carry out their responsibility. Oh yeah, make we watch the video about the issue where Festus Okoye take dey talk how the matter take waka we dey come back.
Exactly. If you look at section 145 of the Electoral Act 2022, the Electoral Act gives the Independent National Electoral Commission the power to prosecute any individual found culpable under the provisions of the Electoral Act before a magistrate court or before a high court in the state where the offense was committed. So the powers of the commission ends at prosecution. The power to investigate, the power to arrest resides with the Nigerian police force. And under our electoral legal framework, the Nigerian police force is the lead agency in terms of election security. So the commission has written officially to the Inspector General of Police detailing some of the infractions which the resident electoral commissioner committed, and asking for a thorough investigation of his actions, and also asking that the police should find out whether he had accomplices in the infractions which he committed. And the police force has responded and replied to the letter written to them by the commission, and had advised that they had commenced investigation relating to one, his whereabouts, secondly relating to the infractions which he committed. So that is where we are as at now. Before the letter was written, the commission invited the resident electoral commissioner to Abuja immediately after he made the purported declaration. He didn't honor that invitation. The returning officer for the governorship election honored the invitation and reported to the headquarters of the Independent National Electoral Commission on the 16th. On the 17th, we also made attempts to get the resident electoral commissioner to report, and he didn't report. Then thereafter, two national commissioners, myself and the national commissioner Sam Olumekun, were detailed to accompany the returning officer to Yola to go and complete the collation of results, and for the returning officer to make the appropriate declaration and return. So that is where we are as of today. To dictate to the Nigerian police force how to carry out its investigation and how to do its work. they have various means of various sources of information, and they have procedures and processes through which they carry out their work. So we are hopeful and we are confident that with the information available to them at the moment, that they will be in a position to make a determination on when to declare him wanted if they don't know where he is. But you know, some people took Hudu Are out of Yola on the day after he made his a so-called declaration. So there should be some list on where the resident electoral commissioner is. The commissioner of police was with him at the purported declaration. The director in the DSS was with him during the purported declaration, and some people took him out of the venue, out of the collation center. And so some of those individuals may have a lead or have information on his whereabouts. And so I believe that the Inspector General of Police knows what he's doing, and the police hierarchy have commenced investigation, and we are hopeful and we trust that they will do a thorough investigation on what has been reported to them by the commission. Ruben, you know and I know that he who alleges must prove. So since she has made the allegation, it is incumbent on her to provide concrete evidence of such nocturnal meetings to the investigating authorities and to the police. And she has a responsibility to do that. And you also know that it is also an offense for an individual to know about the commission of an offense and hold such information from the police authorities. And so if she is aware and if she has information, she has a responsibility to make that information available to the authorities, and so that they can carry out a thorough and comprehensive investigation on the Adamawa issue. It is not enough for somebody to just make an allegation and walk away from it. And we have said it. Any individual who makes an allegation of corruption or who makes an allegation of any wrongdoing against a National Commissioner of the Independent National Electoral Commission must provide concrete proof of such allegations. The era when people make allegations against national commissioners willfully and recklessly and get away with it is over. The commission will definitely give a fiat to any national commissioner whose integrity has been impugned to take out legal action against the individual making such an allegation. And so if she has proof, if she has evidence, she should approach the police authorities and make such information available to the police, and the police will investigate such information. And if any national commissioner is indicted, definitely that national commissioner will pay for it. But we are sure and we are confident that our national commissioners did not hold any nocturnal meeting with any individual and did not meet with any individual involved in the election.
My people, now welcome back to DJMTV Daily News Update. Now don't use ETA waiting Festus Okoye talk concerning the Adamawa REC, how it disappear and how they not know where it dey till today. You know to say they don't call am based on say okay, make him come Abuja, make him come tell them say wetin happen, make him come explain himself. But you know say criminal na always criminal, they no go wan accept to come the commission because maybe from there they fit say arrest am or maybe they fit send am go Kirikiri. So he no wan take those risks. Na him make am not come. Well, people will not know about that one, but Festus Okoye don talk wetin he know concerning this particular person and wetin INEC as a body, as the electoral umpire wey dey be, the kind of decision wey be like say they don take. He don talk say na the police duty now to talk say okay, make dem prosecute the person, make dem investigate am, make dem declare am a wanted person, say no be INEC or a work be that one. So my people, how una take see this matter, this REC matter, wetin una think say INEC suppose do concerning the matter? Make una go the comment section below, make una go drop una comment for there. I go see una for the next updates.
TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ